Activate.
SEMA is about innovation, and we've got some new, innovative, lower carbon fuels that we really wanted to bring to the conversation here at SEMA this year.
People are just stepping their game up so much every year, and I just can't wait to see where it's going to go.
I think the one thing that's really clear here is we just need to give people choice. We have a lot of different choices in terms of how we power our vehicles. You walk around here and you see some amazing, like old cars, resto mods that are EVs. You see other cars that are basically like running on basically biofuels. I think there is so many different ways for us to execute our transition into the future. We're going to evolve. Everything always evolves. I think the thing is, regardless, we're going to have great product as an industry that's going to fit the different needs of each customer.
It's hard, again, not to feel excited about what happens here, right? It's hard not to walk down the aisleways and just be inspired by the thought and the innovation and the passion that goes on here. And I think there's something really cool about being on the forefront of all the technology that's developing on vehicles, of all the ways that consumers rely on it in a variety of different aspects of this industry. I wouldn't choose another industry to be in.
We also have a booth over at FutureTech as well, because there's a lot of education that can take place there at the FutureTech booth.
There's so many aspects to automotive. You never know who you're going to reach, you never know who you're going to connect with, and it can lead to the next best thing.